What's up guys, Harrington Hare here. Happy FURSUIT Friday. I know right now that things are kind of crazy in the world, and here in the States, we like to cope with something we call retail therapy. I love shopping online for new FURSUIT parts. Buying my suit in pieces is a great way to save money and upgrade as you go. So, if you want to know 3 great places to shop online for FURSUIT parts, then stay tuned, because this week we're going shopping. But before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I now have a Patreon. If you enjoy the content on my channel and you want to help me make more, then feel free to check it out. I have a link in my description and on my profile as well, and just consider becoming a Patreon. You'll get your name in each of the videos I do, as well as tons of other awesome perks for the other tiers. So, if you love my content, check it out. So, the first place that I can honestly recommend is, obviously, eBay. eBay offers a variety of products at all different price points. From paws to bases and suits, it's all right there. Just keep in mind, look out for those Chinese scam suits. Whoa! I always wanted to be Majira Strawberry. Just make sure that you read and reread the description of the item and contact the seller with any questions. eBay can be an awesome place to shop, but you do have to be savvy as far as knowing exactly what you're buying. Just keep your eyes out and you'll be golden. The second place that I'm going to recommend to you this week is Etsy. It's a place that I use all the time. It's filled with amazing creators who put out products with quality that you just won't get on a mass production line. You can also find makers who take commissions just in case you're looking for something more specific. On average, you'll be paying a little bit more than you would on eBay, so shop with that in mind, but just be aware that that extra quality is going to be well worth it. Another thing to look out for with Etsy, or I guess to be aware of, is that commission work will often take a bit longer to reach you than if you buy something pre-made. Good quality takes time, so don't rush the creators. Let them do their job and they'll get you a quality product every time. The last recommendation I have for you is going to be a site called The Dealer's Den. If you're looking for a site aimed at furry commerce, this is the place to go. It is specifically for furries. Just about everything about this site is designed specifically for fursuit shopping. So if your species is something a bit more obscure and you have trouble finding something on those other sites, this is the place you need to go. It's got everything for you. Now, I haven't personally bought anything off of this site yet, so if you have had any shopping experiences on the Dealer's Den, I want to hear about it down in the description below. Did it work okay? Were you able to get everything? Tell me your tale down in the description. Or in the comments. So, beyond these 3 recommendations, there's also Facebook Marketplace. Just be careful. A lot of the same advice from eBay applies here too. Hopefully I've given you guys a few places to start looking if you're shopping around for a fursuit. Now, I want to know about your online shopping experiences. Let me know your story, let me know where you bought it, what you bought, all that cool stuff down in the comments. But hey, that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. I really appreciate you watching so much. And a big thanks to Floofy Mint for being my first ever patron. It means so much to me that you chose to support my content. So if you enjoyed this video, then let me know by hitting that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so that you're notified every Friday when I post. If you want to be super awesome and get a shout out in every video I do, and you also will get to see my videos early, as in when I post them instead of on Friday, then consider becoming a patron. Link in the description and in my profile. But thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!